In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Excel to QuickBooks. We'll walk through where to find the integration inside your account, what to look for on the apps page, and a few tips so the connection goes smoothly. Start inside your QuickBooks company. Look to the top right corner of the screen. Up there, next to the standard settings icon, you'll see a menu labeled Integrations. Click that. This opens the Integrations area, which is where QuickBooks lists the official connections that can pass data in and out of your company. On this page, choose Find Integrations. That brings up a searchable catalog. In the search bar, type the word Excel. As soon as you do, you'll see matching apps that allow you to connect your spreadsheets to QuickBooks. One of the common options is the Excel and Google Sheets add-in for QuickBooks. Go ahead and select that result to open its preview page. You're now on the app's overview. Take a moment here to review what the integration does, which versions of QuickBooks it supports, and any permission notes. This page usually includes a summary of key features, a short description of how data flows between QuickBooks and your spreadsheet, and links to documentation. It's worth scanning this information so you know exactly what to expect and whether it fits your workflow. When you're ready to proceed, look again to the top right of the screen. You'll find the main action button there. This is the one you'll use to get or connect the add-in. In a live production company, clicking that button starts the process of enabling the integration. Because I'm demonstrating from a test account, that button isn't available on my end, but in your account, it should appear and guide you through the remaining steps. A couple of quick tips before you finish up. Make sure you're signed in with a role that has permission to manage integrations, ideally a company admin. If you use multiple companies, double-check you're in the correct one before you connect. Keep your spreadsheet app updated so the add-in installs cleanly, and allow any browser prompts related to permissions or pop-ups during setup. And that's the process. From the top right, open Integrations. Select Find Integrations. Search for Excel. Choose the Excel and Google Sheets add-in for QuickBooks, review the overview, and use the top right button to enable it. Once connected, you'll be ready to move data between QuickBooks and your spreadsheets more efficiently.